Greetings, my viewers. Today, we will also be looking at the nexus that exists between the aim of the study and objectives of the study. Now, when we talk of the aim of the study, we are simply referring to the purpose of the study. And the aim is always in general. It always broad in nature. For example, if I am conducting a study and the topic is a comparative analysis, and the topic is comparative analysis of hate speech in the 2023 general elections in Nigeria, right? So, the aim of this study is to examine the manifestation of hate speech in the 2023 general election in Nigeria. So you can see that the aim is broad, and the aim is being carved out from the topic of the research. Now, when we talk of the objectives of the study, it is what the study set to achieve. And the objectives, they are specific and they come in numerical terms. So, based on the aim of the study, you will now establish the objectives of the study. And the objectives of the study, they are specific, and sometimes they come in numbers. So, if you are using the objectives within the context of this topic, comparative study of hate speech in the 2023 general election. Now here, a researcher may also be interested to use content analysis, and you can look at variables like frequency, prominence, journalistic genre, or you look at the direction. So number one could be that to examine the frequency of hate speech in the 2023 general election. Number three could be that to ascertain or to find out the direction of hate speech in the 2023 general election. And then number three, to investigate the journalistic genre that was used for hate speech in the 2023 general election. So you saw all of this, they appear in specific terms. And it is based on these objectives that you turn them to research question. In other words, the objective of the study must align with the research question. There should be an alignment. When I say alignment, for example, those that have car, if you're using, or you're driving your car and maybe you have a tire problem, which you fix it, you need to take it for alignment so that at least the tires will be balanced. The front tires and the back tires, there should be an alignment so that they will balance. So, bringing these two, objectives, the objectives must align with the research question. For example, if your objective number one is to examine the frequency of hate speech in the 2023 general election, now your research question is, what is the frequency of hate speech in the 2023 general election? So you can see that objective number one is talking about to examine the frequency of hate speech.